Yeah, look, I guess the first thing is what do you measure? And a lot of traders struggle with the pace of trading and how quickly they get feedback because some of my holdings, my long-term trend following systems, for example, I might hold the same stock for 12 months or more. It doesn't happen often, but it does happen. Whereas some of my short-term systems, I might hold the stock for a day and that's it. And I have some intraday systems as well, and they hold maybe for a couple of hours, but I don't watch the market for those. It's all, the orders are placed before the open and the system just takes care of the entry and the exit. Um, so I think this comes back to the personality thing, knowing how much action you need, knowing how quickly you need feedback. I don't care if I'm holding a stock for 12 months, as long as it's going in the right direction, because I view it as money in my account. Like I'm raising my trailing stop all the way and it's building my wealth. So I don't care that I haven't closed it out and banked the cash. That doesn't bother me because it's just about points on the board, and the points on the scoreboard are the liquidation value of the account, and I want to see that going up. So some people take their satisfaction from closing a trade. Yes, I got a winner. I take my satisfaction from I followed my system. My account's growing.